Here's some clockmaking trivia. Subscribe. What timekeeping device uses gears? Is it A, mechanical clock, B, atomic clock, C, sand timer, or D, digital watch? The correct answer is A, mechanical clock. What is the main component of quartz timepieces? Is it A, steel spring, B, gold plating, C, rubber gasket, or D, quartz crystal? The correct answer is D, quartz crystal. What type of clock is powered by water? Is it A, water clock, B, solar clock, C, sand clock, or D, atomic clock? The correct answer is A, water clock. Who invented the pendulum clock? Is it A, Christian Huygens, B, Isaac Newton, C, Thomas Edison, or D, Galileo Galilei? The correct answer is A, Christian Huygens. When was the first known mechanical clock made? Is it A, 18th century, B, 13th century, C, 15th century, or D, 11th century? The correct answer is B, 13th century. Which device measures time using a swinging weight? Is it A, stopwatch, B, escapement mechanism, C, solar panel, or D, hourglass? The correct answer is B, escapement mechanism. What is the unit of timekeeping used in quartz watches? Is it A, days, B, hours, C, seconds, or D, minutes? The correct answer is C, seconds. What material is commonly used in watchmaking? Is it A, stainless steel, B, plastic, C, gold, or D, wood? The correct answer is A, stainless steel. Which country has a famous cuckoo clock tradition? Is it A, Germany, B, Austria, C, France, or D, Switzerland? The correct answer is A, Germany. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.